corrective care? Is your goal to actually fix the problem? I want you to fix I want the problem to be fixed. What is causing my thyroid problem? I want it to be fixed. Okay. If my liver is not converting the T4 into the T3, which is a more usable thyroid hormone for our body, I just want you to I want you to correct it. I want you to correct that conversion factor. I want you to help my liver be able to convert T4 to T3 so that my body has more T3, which will give me more energy. Now, obviously, if most of y'all won't understand what that means unless you have a thyroid problem. So let's say a neuropathy. I want you to, which organs were responsible for the healing of my nerves in my feet? So that's the ones I want you to correct. Hypertension, it could be a heart problem. It could be a kidney problem. I want you to correct my kidney function so that my blood pressure normalizes, right? So it's a step above relief because when you correct the problem, the results last longer. So in hypertension, maybe it was the heart, maybe it was the kidney. You correct both of those problems. You correct the heart function, you correct the kidney problem, and now your blood pressure is back to normal. Okay, so that is, then you have longer term of relief, so to speak, right? You have longer term, it's a long-term solution.